Princess Kate's hair, a royal transformation. From bouncy waves to sleek, straight locks, the Princess of Wales has captivated us with her ever-evolving hairstyles. Her signature look, often characterized by voluminous, glossy curls, has become a defining feature of her public image. But did you know that Kate occasionally trades her iconic curls for a poker straight style? And she has seemingly abandoned this look entirely this year. Let's rewind a bit. In 2022, during a special reception in Belize celebrating the late Queen's Platinum Jubilee, Kate debuted a strikingly different look. Her hair, parted in the center, flowed down her back in a sleek, straight cascade. The front sections were tucked behind her ears, showcasing her statement earrings. But here's where it gets controversial. According to Laura Sutcliffe, Hello's fashion and beauty news editor, Kate's straight hair moments are sporadic. While this style offers a modern edge, it often requires significant heat styling, which isn't always the best for hair health. Sutcliffe suggests Kate often prefers curls as they are lower maintenance, allowing her hair to look thicker and last longer during royal engagements. And this is the part most people miss. When Kate does opt for straight hair, it often complements her outfit choices perfectly. For instance, her sleek locks in Belize allowed her shimmering vampire's wife gown to shine. We've seen her rock this style in various settings, including a visit to the Copenhagen Infant Mental Health Project in 2022, where her straight hair enhanced the professional look of her red tweed blazer. She also wore her hair straight with added volume during a visit to Windsor Food Share in 2023, pairing it with a raspberry pink outfit. Even during casual events, like the Bahamas Platinum Jubilee Sailing Regatta in 2022, her straight hair kept her look effortlessly chic. Kate's straight hair has even graced the red carpet. At the Royal Film Performance screening of Top Gun: Maverick in May 2022, her sleek style accentuated the elegance of her Roland Moret gown. What do you think about Kate's different hairstyles? Do you prefer her with curls or straight hair? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to check out the Hello Royal Club for more insights into Kate's style secrets.